So your thing here is bite-sized pieces. Don't take on too much. I know you're excited. I know you're so excited. But one thing at a time, okay? Because you've got so much, so many different directions you're going, and it's really exciting. But it's also could be overwhelming. It is overwhelming. You're already overwhelmed. So it's like move the stuff you have that needs to be moved, plant the big things that we talked about, and then like just pace yourself. Forget about the vegetables this year. Maybe prune the fruit trees, maybe it's too late, whatever, it doesn't matter. Think about getting rid of the plastic around the trees. Like you have so many things. I want you to itemize those things that we talked about. And then to make a list and then prioritize and say, all right, what are the things we're going to do in the next month? You're getting married, you're busy. What are the things you're going to do in the next month? What are the things you're going to do by the end of the summer? What are the things you're going to try to do before, November? And then the rest can wait until next year. And there might be some of the things we talked about that go 5 years out. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right? Okay.